Hi guys, I've got a computer here on which I want to test some things out. I've already installed Archlinux Tweak Tool, well, not Archlinux Tweak Tool, but I showed in a previous video how to remove stuff. If you think we have too many apps, there's a super simple way to just go to Archlinux Tweak Tool and say remove me this, remove me that, remove me this, which is called Streamline. Now, what I'd like to test as well is desktop. There are two ways to install desktops. This one, long drop list, the drop down list, all kinds of things. There are desktops and tiling window managers together here, but there are X11. This one is just Wayland and some how do you call that, colorful variations, right? There is a pure Hyprland, but there is a Hyprland Noctalia. So another personal recipe to have a Hyprland look, right? Or Noctura, or the Dank and DMS, or Dank material shell, and so on, right? Long list of all kind of things. And the Archlinux Tweak Tool, if you select things that you say I'd like to have a test of a go at, for instance, I don't know, let's see, Qtile, okay. Scroll a little bit through and maybe make a little bit bigger here so we see all the buttons. Install desktop, remove desktop. Right, now we're going to install Qtile. Enter to begin. Close. Qtile is installed. Oh my chat.wm, Qtile, XFC, Wayland. So Qtile is there. You need to, yes, you know it, log out, log in to Qtile. Right. It's ready for you, and so that's working. Let me test a little bit more. Let's take awesome and done. Awesome is installed, bspwm. Let's install the tiling window managers because I really would like you to learn one of those. Doesn't matter which one. Maybe you fall in love with the fact that it's so fast and so, yeah, a workflow that maybe fits your needs. I don't know, right? HLWM. See, everything is installing. Okay. And when we log out, you'll see a long list of tiling window managers, right? Done. I'm specifically not installing desktops, as you see, right? XFC is there, Plasma is way too big. And there's also a message warning: installing Plasma is a one-way operation. Removal requires a system reinstall. We've done this for Plasma and we've done this for GNOME because it's a hell to get everything, really everything out. And we do use things for GNOME, right? There are things that we have for sudo. That's a capital P. Why is it capital P? Pack man minus remove. There are GNOME things in here. Without having GNOME, we use GNOME stuff. Dependencies as well, right? There's no way to go around it. Or we need to build completely new packages, but they come from Arch. Arch says that package needs that dependency, and boom, you've got it, right? But these things, we'd like to have them around. So if you would install GNOME, you get the whole package. But if you want to remove it, you need to keep those, and so it's just not feasible, not for this and not for Plasma. So keep the desktops. I would say keep one desktop, choose a desktop, and take one tiling manager and see. From time to time, go into the tiling window manager, and when you're fed up, you go back to the desktop that you like. So, I don't know. At some point in time, I just never went back to a desktop. Just fell in love with tiling, and well, maybe that will happen for you too. The desktop Wayland things, they can actually work together with X11, but sometimes they can't coexist together, right? It's one sort of Hyprland you want to see. You can install them one after another, no problem, but one at a time. Right? This gonna work. So the things that will work with made a safeguard basically, right? If you say one more, say, oh, no, not possible, right? That's possible. So choose your Hyprland version in this case, 4 Hyprland versions, and say install, and then go for it. So now we have also Hyprland Dank material installed. So later after the video, I'm gonna check the login and see if everything is working. Maybe I'm gonna go for Niri as well. Those two pique my interest, and I'll check them out. All right, that's enough for me, for the video anyway, and I'll play around with this particular PC a little bit more, which is an Intel Core i7, 16 core, 5.10 gigahertz. And never buy NVIDIA cards. Well, never say never. I did buy one, but that was to test, well, to see if the PC was working for NVIDIA with my ISO. All right, so no more at this point in time. Have fun with learning basically. It's Arch. Everything you learn here can be used anywhere else as long as based on Arch, and there will be always specific things, differences between one distro and another distro. But at some point in time, if you stick around long enough, in Arch I mean, not in Kiro specifically, but with I think 6,000 videos on YouTube already just about Arch and the knowledge and how to figure things out, the workflows, I think you can manage any Archlinux based system in the future. Just stick around long enough. Cheers.